Well, I think it's recording. I got the new GoPro 7. I've yet to figure it out or use it. And boy, it's hot today. Southern Oklahoma, beautiful. It's about 100. I'm wheezing, but I'm gonna shoot this. I kind of screwed up. We were shooting out to 600 yards, or 700 yards actually, the other day, and I lost my pad on my dope, so correcting it back to zeros is going to be interesting. But anyway, I wanted to shoot. I also wanted to see if I could get that GoPro to work. So let's put a few rounds down range and see what we can do. I'm not going to bother you with just shoot. And no, I'm not wearing ear protection because I don't need it with that suppressor. And I've aged to make my own damn decisions. So if you don't agree with it, don't watch. But anyway, the weather is going to get to about 100, I imagine to 110 today. Hot enough. Well, let's see what we can do. Not sure. Anyway, I'll give you a report here in a minute. This is recording. I guess it is. Doesn't show it. Anyway, had an interesting day. Went out and boy, I'm out of breath. Had fun. Got to figure out how this GoPro 7 works. But I had a weird thing happen. I was shooting some match ammo, and as I said earlier, it's hot. It's not 110. It's probably 100 today in Southern Oklahoma, but anyway, the other day we ran out to Hello Steve's and moved way back where they cut out some woods, and it was about 800 yards. We figured close to 800 to 900 in between. We shot it, and I think it came out to 825, 835. And so anyway, we never paid attention. I knew I couldn't stand the heat very long, so I went out there and just was flailing away with dope in the scope and got in there and was ringing a gong, and man, that was fun. But I shot a lot of rounds and knew I had to go home. And so anyway, I came out of it today and my zero was somewhere, I don't know where. But I kind of looked at my targets, and it looks squirrely. I mean, I hit some pretty good shots, but I guess I shot one low and hit the front berm because it just splattered the target. But I couldn't see any holes in those targets, and I had some good shots, so I kept adjusting on that splatter target, and I couldn't see where I was going. That's a 6x32 scope. It should be able to pick up on a splatter target, but these splatter targets suck. But anyway, I'll quickly show you this.